If you have ever dreamed of lost islands and sunken treasure, wondered what lies beneath the murky depths of the ocean, or simply wanted to inspect underwater structures with little stress, then stay tuned. This video lists the best underwater drones that just might change your life. Chasing Dory. We kick off this list with a small yet technologically packed device. The Chasing Dory has earned a reputation as the smallest yet most versatile underwater drone on the market. It was developed with an eye to appealing to casual audiences with a passion for underwater exploration, and its affordable cost well reflects this. It has the ability to dive up to 49 feet with a high-definition 1080p camera, combined with two 250-lumen headlights, giving It makes use of a built-in true color restoration algorithm to give users an accurate glimpse at the vibrant hues of the underwater landscape, as well as live streaming options to share this wonderful moment with your friends and family on social media. Despite the Dory measuring just 9.7 by 7.4 by 3.6 inches and weighing less than 2.5 pounds, it grants you life with the aid of a 4800 mAh battery. This portable device is controlled with the use of an easy-to-use app and can be yours at prices starting from $499. The Titan is an affordable underwater drone that doesn't skimp on quality. In fact, it has one of the highest water pressure ratings on the planet, which translates to better performance on deeper dives. It works with the aid of 6 high-performance thrusters, as well as a precise steering algorithm that steers you through choppy waters and tight spaces. Images and videos are captured through the use of a powerful 4K 30 frames per second camera, while navigation is assured with the use of a sleep. With the Titan, you can explore depths of up to 492 feet, capture crystal clear images and videos with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, and carry out professional inspections with little or no trouble. As an added advantage, the Titan also features a powerful robotic arm that can let you physically interact with the underwater environment, as well as polymer lithium-powered battery life of up to 4 hours on a 2-hour charging time. Chasing M2. The Chasing M2 is the most technologically advanced underwater drone on this list. As a matter of fact, some experts claim that it is the most technologically advanced underwater drone in the world, and it isn't hard to see why. This intricate device features 8 vertical and horizontal thrusters and stands head and shoulders above other models on the market due to its easy maneuverability and ability to sleekly maneuver through debris. You can use the Chasing M2 for all manner of scientific research, fish farming, and underwater inspection, as a result of its stated ability to capture images from depths of up to 100 meters. And its unique design allowing it to bear a host of sensors, including laser-based measuring equipment to determine the size of underwater objects, measure cracks, or monitor the growth of fish. Users can control the Chasing M2 with the aid of a smartphone or tablet, which allows viewing from its integrated 4K 30 frames per second camera. Power is provided by a 97.68 watt-hour lithium battery, which provides up to 4 hours of dive time, as well as an optional swappable 200 watt-hour battery. If you need a better look at underwater events, you can mount additional GoPro cameras on the M2's front and rear. BW Space. Explore the depths of the ocean without any significant technical knowledge or training. Ocean floor to amateurs and hobbyists alike. And it worked with the use of several features like the BW Space's auto-adjust lighting, autopiloting, that make it simple for anyone to explore or capture amazing underwater photos and videos like the professionals. Artificial intelligence to first discover, then lock its targeting onto, and then automatically follow anyone in the water. This rhythms which ensure smoother piloting and camera stabilization, while giving the operator ample time to select the best shot, resulting in a better overall experience. Blue Eye Pro. In what is sure to come as great news to professionals who have to carry out underwater inspections without the financial hassle of paying for specially trained divers, the Blue Eye Pro now comes with amazing new features. The Blue Eye Pro is a technologically advanced drone specially created to capture crystal clear underwater images. With features like the camera tilt function, improved camera quality, and the increased depth rating to 1,000 feet, this drone can competently carry out inspections that would have once needed the human touch. As the operator, all you need to have in order to operate the Blue Eye Pro is basic knowledge of how to operate a controller, as well as the already familiar iOS or Android device, together with a user-friendly controller. The rest of it is pretty intuitive. If you want a wider vertical field of view, use the camera tilt function. If you want a closer look at a structure, a simple tap on the controller will angle the drone to give you a better look. You also have the ability to maneuver the ROV both laterally and vertically, as well as the ability to capture better quality images. The P3 boasts of a pleasing aerodynamic design in combination with an AI altitude algorithm, guaranteed to thrill and impress both casual and professional users alike. Neat triple thruster design allows smooth and precise navigation, while its horde of image and video capturing functions gives you a crystal clear real-time look at the magical world under the sea. It uses a built-in posture sensor, and it is equipped with a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor that is both larger and more effective than most underwater camera sensors. An ultra-wide 162-degree field of view, with powerful lighting by a 4,000 lumen lighting system. P3 provides live streaming in 1080p 30 frames per second, using 2.4 GHz transmission, a dedicated mobile app, intuitive control via remote, and a heady 4.5-hour battery life. Nemo. Inspired by the classic cartoon, the Nemo is an astonishing underwater drone that gives you dominion over the sea. It was developed by Chinese startup Aqua Robot Man, and it is reputed to give you the ability to travel underwater at rapid speeds while capturing crystal clear videos. As ambitious as it may sound, the Nemo underwater drone has been demonstrated to dive up to 328 feet under the ocean, at speeds of up to 3.9 knots, while recording Ultra HD 4K videos and photos. All you need to do to use the Nemo is have a broad knowledge of app controls, as well as the basic knowledge of how to connect the application to your Wi-Fi connection. When you're set, simply set the Nemo to record and enjoy 4K 30 frames per second video. One of the reasons why the Nemo stands out above most other underwater drones is the fact that users can make Nemo will last for about 3 hours on a single 1.5-hour charge, although you can swap out the batteries to lengthen the time you have to enjoy the Nemo.